Hey there, this is Dustin from Golden Rule. A water emergency can happen at any time. Water damage can happen fast, and in just an hour, you could be looking at thousands in repairs. Let's dive in. First, identify the source of the leak. If it's localized, like a faucet or toilet, you may have a quick fix on your hands. But if the leak is serious, you'll need to shut off the water supply. For minor leaks, locate the shutoff valve near the affected fixture, like under the sink, behind the toilet, and turn it off. For major leaks, go straight to your home's main water shutoff valve. This is usually located in the basement, utility room, or near your water meter. Once you have located the main shutoff valve, turn off the water supply and turn the valve clockwise. For the main shutoff valve, you may need a wrench to turn it off fully. Remember, it's better to be safe and turn off the water valve main if you're unsure. Once the water valve is off, take a moment to assess the situation. Then call a professional plumber to address the issue and restore your water supply safely. The faster you can shut the water off, the less damage you'll have to deal with. Knowing these steps can be the difference between a minor repair and a major headache. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.